Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add or change your profile photo on the Line app. If you want to personalize your account and make it more recognizable to friends and contacts, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. First, open the Line app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the settings icon. Then, from the menu, tap on Profile to open your personal profile settings. After that, click on the camera icon on your profile picture. Then, tap on Photo or Video. If prompted, click Allow to give the Line app access to your phone's media. Next, browse your phone and select the photo you want to use as your profile picture. Once you have chosen your photo, click Next at the bottom. Finally, tap Done at the bottom right to save your new profile picture. Now your Line profile has been updated with your selected photo. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.